Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and safe. Yeah, my name is Ruth. I'm a Congolese and I'm a student. I'm doing BA Psychology and Journalism at Canada College, and this is my final year. So it is always a pleasure for me to share with you. And today I have a great topic. My topic is communication style. You know, communication is very important in life. The way we are exchange information and the way we are interact information is very important, and it's very important to know how people communicate. That's why today I will talk about the communication style. Every person has a unique communication style, a way that they interact and exchange information with others. And it's very important to understand each communication style and why, how individuals use them. So, there are just 4 basic communication styles. The first is passive, the second aggressive, the third is passive aggressive, and the last one, or the fourth, is assertive communication style. So I will explain just 3 of them: passive, aggressive, and assertive communication. I'll not explain the third one because it's just the combination of the first and the second. So I will not take too much time to explain the third one also. If you understand the first and the second, it's very easy to understand the third one because it's just the combination of the first and the second. So let's start by the first one, passive communication style. Individuals use passive communication style often act indifferently to others. Passive communicators usually fail to express their feelings or needs. Passive communicators often display eye contact, poor body posture, and inability to say no. That is a characteristic of a passive communication style. If you are not able to express your feelings or your needs, you are not able to say no to everything, let me tell you that you are a passive communicator. Let's move forward to the second one, aggressive communication style. It is often apparent when someone communicates in an aggressive manner. You will hear it, you will see it, you may even feel it. The aggressive communication style is emphasized by speaking in a loud. Yeah, I will repeat again. The aggressive communication style is emphasized by speaking in a loud and demanding voice, maintaining eye contact, and dominating, controlling others by blaming, controlling, attacking them, among other traits. Aggressive communicators often use command, ask questions rudely, and fail to listen to others, but they can also be considered like leaders and command respect from those around them. That is a characteristic of an aggressive communicator. If you are usually asked rudely, you are usually command others, you are usually blaming others, controlling others, let me tell you that you are a aggressive communicator. The last one is the assertive communication style. Thought to be the most effective form of communication, the assertive communication style features an open communication. Assertive communicator can express their own needs, desire, idea, and feelings while also consider the needs of others. Assertive communicator aim for both sides. Yeah, I will repeat again. Assertive communicator aim for both sides to win in a situation, balancing one's right with the right of others. That is a characteristic of an assertive communicator. I will end up my topic by saying that understanding how others communicate can be key to getting your message across to them. Thank you for watching. Hope you are enjoying the video. So don't forget to subscribe and to share. Don't hesitate also to comment. Comment your kind of communication style or your kind of communicator.